are going to a haunted house tonight. There's Spider-Man. And we have, oh, we got this in the way there. I should tuck that in. But we have the cutest little elephant in all the land. Hi, Savannah. I should find something for Melvin to wear, like the clown wig or something. Hunter, do you think you have any ideas for something your dad could be?
Look, I found a hole.
Aw, man.
Pocket!
I don't know if it's really a pocket, buddy. You kind of have a hole in there. You kids have been playing with that for a while, but that's alright. Nobody's even going to notice if you don't play with it, goofball.
I might get upset with you, but I love you.
What'd you think of the haunted house, buddy?
It looks like scary to me.
Was it too scary? Who was in there? Who'd you see?
Scooby-Doo!
Where'd you keep for this?
Can you get it? There we go.
Alright, tell Grandma what you thought of the haunted house.
It was scary.
Oh
You want to go back again?
No, I'm scared to it.
Our laugh is contagious. What is that? Is that a camera? Hey. Are we done laughing? She laughs every time somebody else laughs. Oh, I see what's going on.